Throughout the last couple of decades, superhero films and TV shows have become so popular for people to watch. Nowadays, people like watching big-budget superhero content like Avengers Endgame, Black Panther, Wonder Woman 1984, and even Aquaman, just to name a few. Although, originally, superhero films and TV shows were not seen too much on the big screen in the 1950s to the 1970s, but still had amazing TV shows for those times. Some of those included The Adventures of Superman between 1953 and 1958 with George Reeves, Batman between 1966 and 1968 with Adam West and Burt Ward, and even Wonder Woman between 1975 and 1979 with Linda Carter, just to name a few. Then, between the 1970s and 1980s, superheroes were starting to go in a different direction by making actual full-length movies on the big screen, including Superman in 1978 with Christopher Reeves, and Batman in 1989 with Michael Keaton. Both of these movies were the game-changing starts for superhero films, but during the late 80s to the 1990s, superhero films weren't really taking themselves too seriously to view and not giving the right potential for its characters. A few of the examples include Howard the Duck in 1986, Steel in 1997, and Batman and Robin, also in 1997, just to name a few. Thankfully, superhero films were given a much better aspect with X-Men in 2000, Spider-Man in 2002, and Blade in 1997, which not only showed how these characters were supposed to be represented, but also make some very engaging and action-packed films for fans of comics and movies to enjoy/watch, which would then lead to countless films based on these beloved Marvel and DC characters as well as other superhero properties. So, the real question is, what can we expect next? What other characters will appear on the big screen and or small screen that haven't been seen before? But more importantly, what can we expect from these new superhero films and TV shows that we haven't seen yet?